welcome back. This tutorial is from Hamplus Hub. So if you have not been following us on our social media handles, please just follow us. Use the @ at Hamplus Hub, and you will get detail about us. The search on Google will reveal everything about us. Thank you. Now, in the previous tutorial, we did what? We calculated subtotal using the subtotal formula. That was what was calculated. We used the subtotal formula, the inbuilt subtotal formula. But now I want to show you how you can do your subtotal using the sumifs. So I have to take you to the worksheet, then I will undo what was done previously. After undoing it, then we'll begin to use the sum if. So Ctrl Z to undo, then I have to take back and copy back this data that was not sorted. I take it back and replace this sorted data. Good. So I have this. Now I want to calculate the subtotal. I can simply do this. Equal to sum ifs. Good. So what is sum range? The sum range that is this says. Good. I'll select it. Now, after selecting the sum range, it is good to do absolute referencing, not relative referencing. When you do absolute referencing, each of the cell addresses before the B, before the A, before the cell address, the column and the row, you use a $sign. So if you are using Windows, like as I'm using here, you just have to press what? F4, and it does the absolute referencing for you. The reason why we're doing this absolute referencing is so when you drag down, when you apply to other cells, it will not shift the calculation. It will be confined to the cell that we selected. So we'll go to the criteria range. The criteria range is the condition where you want to apply it, the change in, like just the subtotal that we